Samsung Odyssey G81 SF 32 inches size we have here, and we have the Asus XG27 UCDMG at the back. Guys, I like better the Samsung design, guys. It's better than XG27 UCDMG. This is the glossy panel, and we have here a matte finish. In here at the other side we have the EOC Aegon Pro AG276UC. This is an IPS panel, but it has 0.3 milliseconds. So guys, I did not peel off yet the screen protector. This is the brand new one, guys. Congrats me, I got it. I buy this one because I already have the glossy one from XG27 Asus. Both the 32 inch from Samsung G8, G81 SF. I love the 32 for me, using from my Ghost of Beauty PS5 Slim and Xbox Series X. So guys, I will fill up this one later, guys, the cover. So I'm gonna use this only for my PS5 Pro. I'm gonna buy soon. And here I'm using the Edifier G2000 speaker attached from the 3.5mm at the back of the Samsung. So that's it. That's all for now, guys. Later I will remove the cover.